This video, I will teach you how to connect Gmail or G Suite to your GoHighLevel account. So in order to connect that, you first need to head over to their website on your browser. Go to GoHighLevel.com, and from there you should be able to see in here these two options. You can either sign up by clicking on this 14-day free trial and follow the on-screen instructions in order to sign up to a new account, or if you already have an account, you can click onto this login to app and then just enter your credentials in order to log in. Since I already have an account, let me proceed to click on this. Now from in there, you should be able to see your launchpad or your dashboard. Now what we can do is we need to head over to our settings. Here's our settings on our left sidebar. Head over and click on it. Once you have done that, you can see in here your settings from there. So what we can do is you can just input right here the values that we need. Into this, you can see under the business services, we have in here our email services. Click on this part right here. Now, once you have clicked on it, this should be able to open in here this tab. So just wait for this in order to load, and under this, you can see the SMTP service. Just click on this add service option and choose in here the provider. Let's choose Gmail right here. And then input right here your Gmail credentials, such as your Gmail email and also your password. You need to make sure to contribute or configure it to your liking. So you can also create an app password, so make sure that you input right here the correct credentials. And after that, head over and click on save right here in order to add this particular Gmail service to your actual GoHighLevel account. That's how you connect your Gmail or G Suite to your GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.